Yeah, my father passed back in May, and we're selling all of his vehicles. We got to get as much as possible out of them. We just posted it. So like I told you, we're not looking to negotiate. We got the title yesterday, found the title, and it shows rebuilt.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hey,
Yeah, hey, Mike.
Gary, how are you this morning?
Not too bad. How about you?
I'm good, man. So you said you're selling the truck for an estate?
Yeah, my father passed back in May, and we're selling all of his vehicles. So we got to get as much as possible out of them, and we just posted it. So like I told you, we're not looking to negotiate just
I
yet.
got you. I understand. I think you all already have it priced pretty fair. That's why I'm calling on it. So,
All right.
is there anything that you would say that it needs?
There's nothing that it needs, but we're trying to track the history. I went through all of the paperwork I could find. Usually my dad kept everything in the glove box, oil changes. He put tires on it. He put glass pack mufflers on and tailpipes. It's had a water pump replaced and serpentine belt, new battery, all the oil changes. It's been garage kept, just over 52,000 miles on it. But the caveat is we got the title yesterday, found the title, and it shows rebuilt.
Okay.
Now, my dad bought it brand new with 14 miles on it. He lived in Illinois for 2 years, moved to Tennessee, had it retitled in Tennessee to put his wife's name on it.
If you're listing a car for sale and it's got a rebuilt title, put it in the damn ad. Put it in the damn ad, please.
But there's no history of any accidents or anything.
Gotcha.
So we're gonna call Monday. He's had it with the same insurance company since he's been here. There's 7 of us siblings, and nobody. He had an accident. He had a silver and black, I think, 92 that he rear-ended somebody back in 95, I think. But other than that, nobody can recollect him ever having any accidents or anything with it. So,
Okay.
other than that, trying to get the title cleared up, we're going to call his insurance company Monday to see if there's anything. And if we don't find anything there, I'll run a Carfax on it. I don't know how far back Carfax goes.
Gotcha.
But,
yeah, it'll run back as far back as the records go. Anything 1981 or newer, you can run one on, so you should be able to run it. For me, with the title situation saying rebuilt, it kind of takes me out of contention. But if y'all get something sorted on that where it comes off the title and the Carfax is clean, hit me back up and maybe we can make something work, okay?
All right, sounds good, bud. Appreciate it.
Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a good weekend.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. That sucks because it's a cool truck, but it is what it is. On to the next one.